Hey guys, my name is Tim and I'm from Tim Lou Fitness. I'm an online fitness and nutrition coach based out here in LA. I help guys and girls get in shape and feel good about themselves. As a longtime fan and customer of Pete and Pedro, I've teamed up with the crew to help on the fitness front. But enough about me, let's get started. All right, so for today I've got 5 gym tips for beginners. Starting off with tip number 1, set a goal. A lot of people, when they're starting off on their fitness journey, have no idea on what they want to achieve. So take your time, figure out what you want to accomplish, and then set the right actions that'll help get you there. And if you need help getting started, you can work out with a friend, or you can take a fitness class in your city. Tip number 2, warm up. So before you start working out, before you start exercising, you want to make sure that you do a proper warm up. You don't want to just walk into your gym, head straight to the squat rack, start slapping plates on the bar, and immediately start doing your thing. If you do that, chances are you might hurt yourself or you might get stapled underneath the bar. Take your time, do a proper warm-up before. With squatting, you want to go through a series of stretches that'll help loosen up your hips, stretch out your quads, open up your calves, and then you warm up with just the bar. And if you're gonna do an upper body session, as an example, you want to stretch out your chest, open up your shoulders, do a couple of upper back exercises, warm it up, and then you're good to go. Tip number 3, learn proper form. All of my clients who work with me, I teach them how to do proper form for all of the exercises. The reason being is you want to feel the right muscles engaging the entire time, and we want to keep you pain-free, injury-free, and lifting for a very long time. When you're starting off, take your time, go slow, go light, feel the muscles working the entire time, then you can add some weight. So as an example, if you're doing a bench press, lower the weight under control, get a nice chest stretch at the bottom, then drive it up, flexing your pecs, flexing your triceps to finish. Get used to it, get the form down, then you can add some weight. Tip number 4, do cardio after weights. Now, no matter what your goal may be, whether it's losing fat, building muscle, you want to make sure that you're doing cardio after you're done lifting. The reason why is strength training helps build muscle, burns more calories, and it gets your metabolism higher than just doing regular cardio. So you want to prioritize that first, and whatever energy you have left over after your session or time, dedicate it to your cardio session. Finally, we've got tip number 5, re-rack your weights. Now, as a gym goer, you need to learn and practice good gym etiquette. And the biggest thing that people need to be doing when they're done working out is to re-rack their weights. If you're done playing with your dumbbells, kettlebells, barbells, medicine ball, whatever, spray and wipe down the equipment you just used and then put it back. The other gym members will thank you for it. All right, guys, so there you have it. You've got your 5 gym tips for beginners. Implement them into your routine, and in time, you're gonna reach those goals.